In some of the most hostile regions on Earth, where volcanic rock dominates the landscape and the air shimmers with heat, life has learned to adapt in remarkable ways. These terrains are shaped by fire, molten lava flows, ash-covered plains, and mountains that breathe heat from deep below the surface. It is in environments like these that legends speak of a creature unlike any other, a bird said to live where flame and stone define the world. This is the phoenix. Described as a large, powerful bird, the phoenix is said to possess feathers that glow like embers, with wings built to withstand extreme heat and eyes adapted to intense light and rising thermal currents. Unlike most wildlife, the phoenix is believed to draw energy from heat, sunlight, and mineral-rich ash, allowing it to survive in regions where food and water are almost non-existent. As the phoenix ages, its body weakens. According to ancient records, the bird eventually ignites in a controlled burst of flame, reducing itself to ash. From that ash, a new phoenix is said to rise, a rare symbol of renewal in a world shaped by fire.